something explosive has just come out of Iran, and it could push the entire Middle East into even deeper crisis. Welcome to Times XP and a powerful Iranian clerk, Abdul Jawadi Amoli. He has made a dramatic call that is now echoing across the region. Well, in a fiery public address, the senior religious figure issued what many calls a religious ruling, urging supporters to confront the US and Israel. His message was blunt, it was emotional, it was highly charged. A call for resistance that he framed not just as politics but as a religious obligation. Why such statement? Because in Iran, religious ruling from senior clerics, it can carry enormous influence. When figures like Jawadi Amoli speaks about jihad, they are not simply making a political speech, they are invoking a deeply rooted concept within Islamic tradition that many followers interpret as a call to defend faith and nation. Basically, by framing the confrontation this way, the message moves beyond geopolitics and enters their realm of ideology and belief. And the timing could not be more sensitive. The whole Middle East is already witnessing one of the most tense moments in years. Israel and Iran, they have exchanged threats, missiles that are crossing multiple fronts, and naval forces from the US that are moving deep into regional waters. Military bases, oil routes, strategic cities, they are now under heightened alert. Here, one miscalculation could trigger a much wider conflict. But here's another emotional layer to this crisis. Many Iranian leaders and supporters are still grappling with the absence of their country's long-time supreme leader, Ali Khamenei. For decades, Khamenei served as the central figure guiding Iran's political and ideological direction. Now, according to Amoli, that absence, it has created what he described as a painful void for the nation. By invoking Khamenei's legacy, the cleric attempted to rally the public sentiment. His speech portrayed the current confrontation not simply as a geographical rivalry but as a struggle tied to Iran's identity, their sovereignty, and their long-standing resistance against Western pressure. And wait, then came the most controversial part. Amoli, he specifically mentioned US President Donald Trump while speaking about past confrontations with Washington. His remarks suggested that those he views as enemies of Iran must face consequences. Statements like these, they are extremely sensitive because they escalate rhetoric at a time when diplomatic channels between Tehran and Washington are already fragile. Across the whole region, analysts say that such declaration can energize the militant groups aligned with Iran. Tehran has spent years building a network of allied forces across the Middle East, from militia in Iraq, Syria, to very powerful armed groups in Lebanon and Yemen. If these groups, they interpret the speech as a signal for action, the ripple effect could spread quickly, and that is why governments from Tel Aviv to Washington are watching closely. From Israel, any call for jihad coming from influential Iranian figures raises immediate security concern. The Israeli military, it has already faced threats on multiple fronts, including rockets from militant groups and possibility of long-range missile strikes. Israeli intelligence agencies are known to treat ideological mobilization inside Iran as an early warning of potential escalation. And for the US, the whole situation is equally complicated. American warships patrol the Persian Gulf. Thousands of the US troops are stationed across the Middle East, and several strategic bases, they lie within range of Iran's missile arsenal here. Basically, any surge in hostility could place those assets directly into the line of fire.